How to start a computer repair business. This video is designed to help you plan and start a computer repair business. At the end of the video you'll find a valuable gift. It's a quality business plan template that you can download and modify to prepare a professional business plan for your business. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Whether you're a tech-savvy individual looking to turn your passion into a profitable venture or an aspiring entrepreneur, we've got you covered. So, let's get started. Before we delve into the nitty-gritty details, let's talk about why starting a computer repair business is a great idea. Computers have become an integral part of our daily lives, and with their ever-increasing complexity, issues and glitches are bound to arise. This creates a tremendous opportunity for skilled technicians to step in and provide valuable services. The first step to launching your computer repair business is to define your target market. Consider who your potential customers are and what types of services they may require. Are you targeting individuals, small businesses, or a specific niche, such as gamers or graphic designers? Understanding your target market will help you tailor your services and marketing efforts effectively. Once you have a clear idea of your target market, it's time to create a solid business plan. This will serve as your roadmap, outlining your goals, strategies, and financial projections. Consider aspects such as startup costs, pricing models, competition analysis, and marketing strategies. Remember, a well-thought-out business plan will not only guide you but also attract potential investors if needed. Now, let's talk about the legal requirements. Starting a business involves paperwork and legal obligations. Make sure to research the legal and licensing requirements in your area. This may include registering your business name, obtaining necessary permits, and complying with local regulations. Consult with a business attorney or local small business administration for guidance in this area. Next up, let's discuss the equipment and supplies you'll need to kickstart your computer repair business. Basic tools like screwdrivers, pliers, and diagnostic software are essential. Depending on the services you plan to offer, you may also need additional equipment such as soldering irons, heat guns, or specialized diagnostic equipment. Remember to invest in quality tools to ensure efficient and reliable repairs. Now that you have your equipment ready, it's time to set up your workspace. Whether you choose a dedicated shop or a home office, make sure it's well organized and equipped with the necessary workstations and storage solutions. Consider factors like proper lighting, ventilation, and ergonomics to create a comfortable and productive workspace. The heart of your computer repair business lies in the services you offer. Determine the range of services you'll provide, such as hardware repairs, software troubleshooting, virus removal, data recovery, and network setup. Define your pricing structure based on factors like the complexity of the task, time required, and the value you're providing to your customers. Be transparent about your prices to build trust with your clientele. Once your business is up and running, it's time to spread the word and attract customers. Establish an online presence by creating a professional website and social media profiles. Use search engine optimization, SEO, techniques to improve your online visibility. Consider offline marketing strategies like distributing flyers, partnering with local businesses, and attending community events. Providing exceptional customer service and encouraging satisfied customers to leave reviews can also greatly benefit your business. Finally, never stop learning. The tech industry is constantly evolving, so it's essential to stay updated with the latest trends, tools, and techniques. Attend workshops, webinars, and industry conferences to expand your knowledge and network with fellow professionals. By continuously learning and adapting, you'll ensure that your computer repair business remains relevant and competitive. Conclusion. And there you have it. A comprehensive guide to help you kickstart your own computer repair business. Remember, starting a business requires dedication, hard work, and a passion for helping others with their tech woes. If you follow these steps and stay committed to providing excellent service, success will be within your reach. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below. As we conclude this video, It's time you get your free business plan template. Go to the description below this video to get it now. It is completely free, no strings attached.